On the far left is our clutch pedal, on the center is our brake pedal, and on the far right is our accelerator. We always start our car by depressing the clutch. Now, this is our gear lever. It is gear number 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5, as you can see there. So, like I said, for you to start, you have to depress the clutch, and then you put it on number 1. I'm going to show you how we can do that. Press the clutch pedal down using your left leg until it's completely down. Hold your gear lever and the car is in neutral, so move to the far left and then push it up. You are already number 1. At that time, your handbrake is on, so you lift your clutch pedal slowly until you start to hear a change of sound. We call that the biting point, and then you release the handbrake and then the car starts to move. Once you release the handbrake, you hold on to the clutch and releasing it slowly as the car starts to move, and then you eventually leave it when it's moving smoothly. You continue like that until you are around 20, and then you leave your accelerator and you press again the clutch down to the floor. You come to the middle and far left. You first go to the center and then far left, and then you go down. You are in number 2. You leave your clutch pedal until when you are around 35, press down, and then you come to the center again of the pedal, and then you push up. You are in number 3. You leave the clutch and press on the accelerator. You continue until your car is around 50 kilometers per hour, and then once again you leave the accelerator and press the clutch down. Come to the center and then down straight. You are in number 4. You leave the clutch and press on the accelerator up until you're around 80 kilometers per hour, and then you press down the clutch, come to the center and up far right. You are in number 5. From number 5 there, that's when you can control your speed as much as you want. Changing of this gear is like a seesaw. When you press the clutch, you leave the accelerator, and when you press the accelerator, you leave the clutch pedal. Until the next lesson, it's bye-bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.